Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another makeup tutorial after so long. This time I'm showing you a fresh summer daytime makeup. Super fun, super easy, super glowy. So let's just jump right in. I'm starting off by applying some sunscreen because you need that sun protection, but it also adds a nice glow to your skin. And then I'm going in with my foundation. The key to this look is keeping it really glowy, really a natural finish. You don't want heavy, cakey foundation or anything like that. So I went in with my current go-to favorite, which is the Eldridge Seamless Skin Foundation. It's amazing. And I've done an in-depth review on it, so check that out if you haven't. This is the shade number 15, and look at me dropping the brush. And I've applied it with a foundation brush, and surprisingly, I usually don't apply foundation with a flat brush like this, but I remember in one of her videos, Lisa said that the foundation applies really nicely with a brush like this, and it's true. For some reason, it just makes the skin look so like flawless. So yeah, I really took my time here blending everything out. I think I spent a solid like 20 minutes just blending on the foundation, and I also used that as a concealer. So I have used zero concealer here. I just layered the foundation, and then I'm going in with my bronzing and contouring. Not necessarily contouring, just keeping the bronzer really you know, like sun-kissed in a way. So I'm using this one by Tarte. I'm applying it to my cheekbones, shaping my nose a little bit, and then also applying it across the bridge of my nose just to give that natural tanned look. And then this blush that I'm using is a warm pink blush. Again, it's from Tarte, and I'm not using a lot, but I'm making sure that I'm blending it out back towards the hairline, just giving a really nice flushed look, as if, you know, you came from outside and you have, like, again, that sun-kissed look. And I love how this combo works for the springtime. I think it's a really nice effect. Nothing too heavy, but also just really nice and glowy. Okay, and then we go in for the highlighter using this fan brush. I'm using this highlight from Mellow Cosmetics. This thing is like, it will blind you if you use like even the tiniest amount. You can see has such a nice glow on it. So you have to use this very sparingly, and what I did is I applied some with the brush, and then I'm blending it out with my finger. And I think the blending things out with your finger just kind of diffuses them and makes them a little bit more creamy. So that's what I did. Again, I don't want like an in-your-face highlight. I want more of a day glow kind of a look. So that is the face. Now we're getting into the eye makeup. So this is super easy. All you do is you're going to grab a smudgy black eyeliner. This one from Kiko I've had for ages, and it hasn't dried on me. It's been like a couple of years, and I freaking love it. So what you're going to do is you're going to line the top lash line. Just follow the natural shape of your eye. Nothing crazy. It doesn't have to be a perfectly smooth line because we're going to blend it out in a minute. You'll see. So then I'm taking a light brown eyeshadow, again from Tarte, and I'm going over that black line just to smooth it out, blend it out, and trying to diffuse the harshness of the black liner, because, you know, this is a daytime look, so you don't want a harsh black line necessarily. And I just find this technique works so well. It's so easy. All you do is, once you smudge out that black line, using what's already on your brush, you're going to create a wing. So you're going to go from the bottom outer corner, and you're going to extend the line out and then bring it all the way back into the middle to create that triangle. And again, I've only dipped my brush into the brown shadow once here. So I'm just using whatever is on my brush and whatever eyeliner is on my lid to create this wing, and you'll see that it creates such a nice diffused winged liner look. I've been loving this, especially for the spring and summer, so give it a shot. So once you have your eyeliner on, you're gonna go ham with the mascara. You can see how much mascara. I like to take my time. I'm almost like pressing my lashes into the brush because I really want to get it from the root all the way to the tip. I'm using the L'Oreal False Fiber Lashes Mascara, which is like my all-time OG favorite. Nothing compares to this. Like, look at the before and after. Like, I have 0 lashes and it just makes my lashes look so big. And the thing that's really nice with this look is that you can still see how long your lashes are, but the eyeliner isn't necessarily covering it up. So anyway, we're gonna move on to lips. I'm just taking this light pink lip liner from Morphe. You can use any shade of pink that you want, but I opted for more of a baby pink because I thought it'll go well with both this makeup and the outfit that I'm wearing, which I'll show you in a little bit. And then I'm just blending it out with my finger at the end. And then as a final touch, I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill finishing powder. This thing is amazing. You need the tiniest bit and it adds just a really nice subtle glow. Nothing too crazy. And yeah, it works really well. I've been loving it a lot. And there you have it. That is the finished look. Again, look at how fresh and nice that looks with, you know, it pops against the white of my outfit. Super quick and easy. You can do this any time of day. You can even use this for evening, pair it with a red lip. But yeah, that was the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what other makeup tutorials you want to see. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.